Massacre, and I'm not feeling today for the cutscene, so let's skip this and let's play the game. I really don't want to play this game, yo. If you know how scary this game is, you would understand me, okay? I don't want to play this. I don't want to play this, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So welcome. This is Drill Massacre, and okay, now okay. Shout out to Darman Class or whatever whatever you say that name. Shout out to him, because without him, many things wouldn't happen. Many things wouldn't happen when I never met him. He is my homie, bro. Okay, like how we met was so random. But I'm so thankful that happened. Like, I'm so happy, bro. Yeah, get trolled. Get trolled. So, I don't want to play this game, bro. I'm gonna cry. If I'm gonna beat this game, yes or no, I don't know. I actually don't know, but I hope. I'm scared, but I know. I beat the game 3 times. Two times with good ending. By the way, many sounds. So I beat it 1, just playing it. And then I played it once again with getting the bad ending, and then I got it the good ending again with while my cousin was watching. Like I was screen sharing. So now the scary things are gonna happen, and we are locked inside. Wow. Like, what the hell's that lock? Bro, I have such a luck. Oh my god, I thought I heard the drilling curve right now. It's like every third step comes from behind, bro. What the frick, man? I can't play this. I literally can't. I'm so happy they changed, like I'm so happy they added first person. Oh my god, I scared myself again. I'm so happy they added first person. Oh my god. Oh my god, no, run. I'm not doing this. I ain't playing this game no more. Okay, go. I'm going. Okay, I don't hear him anymore. That's why I don't want to play this game. Cause this game's scary as hell, bro. This is the second most scariest puppet combo game I ever played. If you ask me what the first one is, it's non-massacre. It's easily non-massacre. I'm gonna play this game too. I don't want to play non-massacre, but I'm gonna do it and try to beat it. And I will do more puppet combo bits. I will play more puppet combo games with you guys. I know Darman is literally scared, bro. I know it. I'm scared. I don't want to play this anymore. I just want to end it. I just want to end the video already, or get the ending, or I should just get the bad ending and finish the video already. But I don't go like this. I hate bad endings, and I want that video long, bruh. So we're gonna try to get that good ending. Why does Puppet Combo make the most scariest game, but the best soundtracks? Okay, I don't want to play this anymore, bro. No, please don't come again. No. Oh my god. I know this video is gonna be half of it is just gonna be me crying, and the other half is just me playing. My god, you tell me I just walked that far. Bro, I thought I was already at. Bro, I can't no more. I can't play this game. This game is so scary. I'm literally scared to play it. Something's gonna come behind me. I know it. I know it. I'm scared. I don't wanna. I just don't wanna. Bro, I'm stuttering. Bro, how do you say? I'm going back. Oh my! Refair. Oh, thank God oh my God. Yeah, I'm happy, but at the same time not happy. Because it's here more dangerous than in the sugar tunnel. Oh my God, I just thought... No, I'm not going that way. Oh my God. Okay. What's wrong with me? Okay. Lock in. Score. Banya. Lock in. Oh my God. You can't beat this. You can't do this. Are you a baby? Kinda. Oh no, I'm going down. I'm going to this door. I'm going to the door. Please let me in. I just don't want to play anymore. I just want to be home. I could have lived my life right now, chilling at my vacation. Instead, I'm doing this. This gotta be torture. Right? Yeah. I thought I heard something. Man, these sounds, I can't. These sounds are scaring me. Oh my God, I hate this. Cause it's so... Yeah. Did I just walk circles? I just don't... I need to stop saying that. I need to stop. Send me a therapist. Because I need it. Sometimes times I beat. Oh, thank God! Oh my God! Finally. I should go. Oh, I should. We're so close to the end. We can't just give up now. I'm going up. So I'm going up to give the keys, to get the keys in it. Okay. Okay. Inventory. Use. Inventory. Use. Now I need one key. One more key. Problem is, I don't know where it is. Okay, okay, okay. Bro was just standing there, waiting for the perfect moment. He was like, bro, he was like, oh, yes, 2 keys. I must lock in and get them. And scare the freak out of him and get him killed. Oh, I'm just gonna stand here and give him a heart attack. And I give him a heart attack. Yeah, that's the perfect plan. Bro was thinking that. I know it. Why was Bro just waiting there the whole time? Instead of just jump scaring me already. I mean, thank God he didn't jump scare me, because I had to get the keys. Maybe they're in the toilets? I don't know. I don't think it could spawn there, but... Oh my God. Not this time. You ain't getting me this time. You only damaged me once. You only damaged me once. Womp womp. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. I knew it was there. Yeah, run. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. He ain't catching me. What the hell? Where this staircase is, but I hope I'm near it. No, you're not. Who said that? Come in! Go up! Come in! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my God. I never played... I'm just gonna make the camera angle like this, because I never saw it that way. So yeah, we could do it first person, but I want to do it like this because I never did it. I only did it when I did it with my cousin, but then I had to go first person because my cousin didn't see anything. Yo, little kid! Oh yes. Okay, why am I nah, bro? There's no little girl, bro. Oh no. Oh no. I'm just... Oh my... The hell? Yeah. So I'm just... So... Yeah. Just gonna see how it ends. Like, man, let's go. We're gonna see the ending. Yeah. I'm just surprised at how fast I beat it. I mean, how fast I found the keys. Oh no, that's suspicious. Suspicious. Why is my camera going away from? Is it just me or is it just my imagination or something? Okay. Why is it so long, the hallway? What, bro? Why is the hallway so long? See, I kind of see the exit. I think. Oh my god! The beat is fire! The beat is fire, bro! The beat is so fire! Y'all love the beat! Let's go! Let's go! We're gonna do it! It's getting really bright up here. Okay, my eyes. Are we in the sun or something? How did he even get here? That's the question. From the doors. There's the exit. Walk to the killer. Cause he couldn't get me dead. This is the first time that I beat the game without dying once. That's crazy. Yo, that's crazy. What's going on there?
Mostly sunny and pleasant, high of 75. The UN today is renewing its call for a ceasefire between Iraq and Iran as negotiations with senior Iranian officials appear to have stalled. In local news, police believe to have found the remains of Jeff West after uncovering a wrecked vehicle off of Route 447.
Jeff is our
West and Megan Brook of Montclair, New Jersey have been missing
the guy that we drove
his body has not been
with.
discovered. News
Jeff.
at 11.
quotidien, c'est sur Taïwan.
Let's go. The screen is uncomfortable for me, but